Having heard some of the nation's athletes voice their concerns over the removal of their events from next year's IAAF Diamond League, tonight we take a look at how the changes could impact their earnings. Jordan Fort reports.
World Championship silver medalist Frederick Dakers made his disappointment about not having the opportunity to regain his diamond trophy in 2020 known, but has said his focus on his Olympic preparations are now foremost in his mind. But there is one other thing that concerns him about the removal of Diamond League status for his pet event, the discus throw, and that's the ability to rake in earnings.
To be honest, the Diamond League is the biggest, in terms of our sport, it's really the biggest medium other than, the World Championships, the Olympics. So for us, it actually, it does impact contracts and all that.
But athletes like Dakers may have done enough to be able to continue to earn sufficiently in spite of the changes. But it is the emerging athletes like discus thrower Basil Bingham who may now lose the exposure needed to attract sponsors and earn a living.
Yeah, like in terms of marketing, that platform is necessary. Because aside from wearing a shoe for a shoe company, you don't necessarily wear the full kit. And for the biggest stage on the circuit is the Diamond League, where you can actually market a particular shoe company and their kit.
But there is hope for those athletes who compete in any of the 4 events that have been excluded from next year's Diamond League, according to TVJ track and field analyst and president of the MVP Track Club, Bruce James.
No, I think this is a one-year experiment. And at the end of this year, an announcement will be made that the 200 meters, the discus, the triple jump, and the 3,000 meter steeplechase are reintroduced to the Diamond League and will no longer have this challenge.
World Championships triple jump silver medalist and 2019 Diamond Trophy winner Shanika Ricketts says athletes must now join forces to have the decision overturned.
And I think it's important for us, not just those athletes who are affected, to state how this impacts us by going on our social media. We live in an age where everyone focuses on social media. So if we go on social media and state how negatively this decision is affecting us and the sport in general, I think a lot of attention will come to us.
Each athlete crowned IAAF Diamond League champion wins $50,000 worth of prize money at the end of the season. Each Diamond League event attracts a purse of $10,000 for a win and $1,000 for 8th place. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.